Hey guys, Dave Schroeder here with MaxHousePrice. We're back at our property in Washington, D.C., trying to see progress and where we're at during the trades, doing all the rough-ins. Let's go ahead and turn around. We're on that main level of the house right now, and let's take a look and see what's going on. Okay, as you can see, adding central heat and air conditioning into the home. Here's all the ductwork going in. We're squaring off these openings, making them so they're not round anymore. Sometimes we get in these positions, and when we get to the basement, I'll show you, it's difficult placing where we place furnace, where we run ductwork. Talking to our HVAC guy, there wasn't really any other option. We're going to have to talk to the agent and the owner and make a decision on what we do with that window, whether we completely block it off or just box around this with framing and drywall and leave a gap between the window and the ductwork. It's a tough decision, tough call there. The back office we saw last time, they were doing demo, but now they've got all the plumbing run in here. This is the office. There's a powder room back here, little half bath that's going to be renoed. We tore down a wall here, non-load bearing wall. Open up that kitchen so that this whole dining area gets opened up, part of the kitchen. We can expand the kitchen, have a nice big peninsula right here. Still some ductwork to be run for the hood. What's great is they're going to have this big walk-in pantry back here, which is awesome. That's a door that leads out back. And right here, this door is actually going to stay, but what we're going to do is box across over here, across right there, and that will be a wall straight up all the way to the ceiling, and the door will be access for a coat closet in the foyer. So that's what we're going to do with that. Let's go ahead and take a look on the upstairs and see where we're at. Okay, here we are on the upper level. Let's take a look and see what's been done since last time we were here. Okay, as you see, they're just capped off to keep the dust out of the ductwork, but we have floor supply vents in these bedrooms, getting heating and cooling through. What's going to happen here, since this room has two closets, we're going to put a middle closet here and close off these doorways. Let's run through here and look. And back here in the primary bedroom, they've already started opening this up. What we're going to do is have a door on each side and then close off that door and another door over there for two closets in here. As you can see, placement of the ductwork that comes up. So this running through as a supply vent. It's going to tie in through here. Actually, that's the return, my apologies. That's the return that'll go up to the ceiling and tie in right here. And it's pulling the return air back to the unit right here. Gotta have it. And then you can see the supply on the floor like the other bedrooms were. All right, back here in the primary bath, we saw last time the plumbing rough-ins still there. Just kind of moving along, getting these trades in, getting their stuff done. Come back through here again. Hall bath is demoed. Once the HVAC work, all the mechanical work is all done 100%, then they'll come back in and continue. Let's head on down to the basement and see what's going on down there. Okay, now we're down here in the basement. Let's take a look and see what progress they've made down here with all the trade work and what's been done. Okay, as you see, right when I turn that camera around, boiler system, because this house was a boiler system with radiator heat. No AC. Now they've taken out the boiler system, removed a lot of the pipes. They still have some more to remove, but that's all going to be taken out there. This will be all open space to the rec room. There's the old boiler. Back here, we had that bathroom that they roughed in. So what we've got them doing, I had them take down this wall because the shower was a bit too small. So now what they can do is, let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. They're going to take that shower, move that plumbing back so that the shower can be further back, be a little bit bigger, and get a bigger vanity in that bathroom that's coming. And then back here, be your mechanical / laundry room. As you see, like we talked about, the ductwork that was up through that dining room is now right there. That's what was going up through the floor upstairs in front of that window. This is the main trunk line. This is what's all going to be connecting. This is where the furnace will be. All right. All right, so you guys can see the progress. They're doing really well. So looking forward to coming back and seeing more. Talk to you guys soon.